Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the frame style and lens mount. This matters because rimless clips versus full-frame bezels release differently. Once identified, clean both lens and frame so grit won't scratch surfaces, and lay a soft towel to catch screws. Use a jeweler's screwdriver for screws and a plastic pry tool for snaps. You want control, not force. Work with good light and steady hands. This reduces stress on hinges and you now remove the old lens. Back out screws about 1/4 turn, then fully remove while supporting the frame with your fingers so it does not flex. For clipped lenses, depress the clip and slide lens out. For snap-in frames, apply even pressure at the edge and pry slowly to avoid chipping. Once the new lens is seated, align its curvature with the frame, then insert screws and tighten just enough to hold. This lets you fine-tune position before final torque. Finish by tightening screws until the lens is snug. Do not over-tighten because stress can crack the lens. Once done, check alignment by holding the glasses at arm's length and ensuring both lenses sit even with equal gaps. Make micro-turns to correct binding. If a screw strips or the lens wobbles, swap to a replacement screw or apply a tiny drop of removable thread locker. This fixes play without permanent bonding. If problems persist, consult a professional to avoid damaging premium lenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.